underwater footage isn't just about fixing colors, it's about preserving the magic you saw beneath the surface. Every dive brings its own lighting challenges, color shifts, and dynamic range issues, which is why starting with the right settings matters just as much as the post-production skills. The Insta360 Ace Pro 2 makes this easier with improved image processing, accurate color capture, and flexible editing profiles designed specifically for underwater shooting. Whether you're an avid diver aiming for cinematic edits or a casual creator wanting vibrant, natural tones, mastering post-production with the right tools ensures your underwater footage truly comes alive. The Insta360 Ace Pro 2 stands out as a game-changer for underwater videographers, offering greater flexibility in post-production compared to its predecessor. Its enhanced image processing and color accuracy make it easier to achieve professional quality edits while minimizing the need for extensive corrections. For divers who prefer color grading in post-production, the eye-log and flat color profile are the ideal choice. Unlike the standard color profile, which can sometimes appear oversaturated, the eye-log or flat profile retain more dynamic range and detail, making it easier to adjust colors in editing software. This is especially useful for underwater footage where color inconsistencies such as an overly red tint near the surface can complicate corrections. Although the Ace Pro 2 records in 8-bit, its color reproduction remains highly accurate even in challenging underwater conditions. When LUTs or lookup tables are applied, the footage achieves rich and well-balanced colors with minimal adjustments. This efficiency saves time for editors and ensures that underwater scenes maintain their natural vibrancy without excessive post-processing. See the difference? A little bit of editing goes a long way in making our underwater shots pop. The Insta360 mobile app provides a versatile and user-friendly editing experience catering to both manual adjustments and AI-powered creative edits. With features like Shot Lab and Flash Cut, users can quickly apply pre-made templates of various themes optimized for social media sharing. These AI-driven tools help streamline the editing process by automatically selecting the best clips, applying transitions and effects, and syncing footage to music. For smoother playback and a more efficient editing workflow, downloading the clips directly to the mobile app is recommended. Alternatively, users can connect a memory card via the Insta360 card reader for seamless file transfers. The app includes essentials editing tools such as brightness, saturation, hue adjustments, and a variety of filters to enhance footage with just a few taps. Additionally, built-in templated transitions and copyright-free music make it easy to create polished videos without external software. For those working with eye-log footage, the app provides a native LUT or lookup table as a starting point for color grading. For more advanced editing, the Insta360 Studio desktop app provides you a deeper creative control. It supports eye-log color grading, allowing you to fine-tune your footage for a more polished look. You can also apply and adjust hue, saturation, and luminance for precise color correction and export high bitrate video for professional post-production workflows. However, for advanced color correction, users may opt for third-party editing software that offers features like custom LUT application, HSL or hue, saturation, and luminance adjustments, and detailed color grading graphs. These tools allow for greater creative control, ensuring high-quality, professional underwater edits. And just like that, our dive footage is polished and ready for the world to see. Or is it? Does it really end with the editing? Stay tuned for the next to find out how you can share high-quality Insta360 videos on social media.